What if your Apple Watch could turn every run you do into a race against yourself? Not just tracking your run, but seeing if you're beating your previous run on that route. Well, it can. It's called RaceRoute, and most Apple Watch users don't even know it exists. So in this video, I'm going to show you how it works, how to set it up on your Apple Watch, and how it can push you to be even faster when you're doing your runs. Let's get into it. RaceRoute's a feature built into the Apple Watch that lets you race a route that you've previously run before, at least twice. So if you regularly run the same park run or route around your neighbourhood, your Apple Watch can compare the run you're on to a previous one. And here's the clever part. During your run, your watch shows you whether you're ahead of the pace, behind pace, or running at the same speed. It's like having a ghost runner from your past race right there on your shoulder. And the metrics you'll see are how far you are ahead or behind your previous run, and the race route and elevation. And honestly, once you try it, it becomes addictive, and every run can become a real challenge. So before you use RaceRoute's, there's one important thing, and I did mention it before. You have to have run the route at least twice before. So it will track a run, a walk, or a cycle. So there are three things that you can use it for. And once you've done that route a couple of times, RaceRoute becomes available automatically. So let's have a look at the watch and see how you set it up. First of all, go into your workout app, and we've got running selected here. Then go to the top right icon and select it, and this gives us our goals and targets. Scroll all the way down, and if you've run a route twice or more, you'll see race routes come up. Now, as you can see here, I've got 28 routes on there. So if I open this up and I can scroll through, you can see all the routes that I've done and when I've last run them. So let's pick any route. Let's try this one. So this is an 8-mile route, and I haven't run it since last year. So you've got two options. If you select the main screen, it gives you a choice. You can run against your personal best, which I set on the 19th of February 2024 at 8:30 pace, or my most recent one was in September where I did it at 8:34. So you can select if you want to try and beat your personal best, and then all you do is you'd go ahead and press start workout. Now, the other option you can do is click the little pencil on the right hand side here, and that takes you into the route. Now, just scrolling up gives you the elevation of that route, and what it also does is show you the custom view that you will get when you start using RaceRoute's. And this shows you your time that you've been running in the yellow. Then you get a pictorial representation of whether you are ahead or behind your virtual self, if you like. And it also gives you a view of the elevation, whether you're going up or downhill, along with the distance you've got remaining. So this will be your main screen, but you can, as it tells you here, still scroll down and you'll get your normal workout screens that you normally have when you go out for a run. So pressing next on this one then takes you back into whether you want to run against your personal best or your most recent. So say on this we're going to run against our most recent. Start the workout. You'll get the normal 3, 2, 1 countdown, which you can just click on and it will start it all together. And you can see I've started this now. I'm obviously going nowhere and I'm ahead of where I am by 0. I've got 8.03 miles remaining, and the time is clicking away there up the top. As I said, if I scroll down, I will get my normal metrics that I normally have when I'm on this. You can see the little man in the top left there has gone to red, so that means I'm behind target And that's quite clearly going to be the case because I'm not moving anywhere. And you can see now it started working out how far behind I am, and already 30, 40 seconds behind because I haven't actually moved from my chair. If I was to catch that up by some miracle, that would turn green and say how far ahead I was. What this does, it gives you a really good incentive to go and catch this time up and try and beat your run. There you go, quite clearly telling me I'm behind. Yeah, so it gives you really good motivation to go and catch yourself up and beat that time, and it's really addictive. So that's how easy it is to set up race routes. So that's how you set up race routes on the Apple Watch. I use it all the time and I find it really motivational and helps me push my PBs to be faster. I highly recommend you give it a try and let me know how you get on in the comment box below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button. It'd be great to see you again. See you next time.